Good morning, student. Welcome to Elga class. Students, do you all remember what are vowels? Yes, the letters A, E, I, O and U are called vowels. Can you say the sound of these vowels? Very good. A sound is A, E, A. I sound is E, O sound is A, then U sound is A. Today I am going to introduce two syllable words. Read the first word. Very good. Napkin. Then you want to find out the vowels. A and I are vowels. In between the vowels, how many consonants are there? Yes, two consonants are there. P and K. In between that letters, you want to put the slash. Napkin. Napkin. The same process you want to use for the second word also. First you want to find out the vowels. U and I are vowels. B and M. Two consonants are there. Then you want to divide the word. Submit. Submit. Basket. Basket. This means this word is made up of two syllables. Syllables are the small parts that make up a word. The words are divided into syllables based on the number vowel sound in it. One vowel sound equal to one syllable. So, nap is the first syllable because it has a sound, and kin is the second syllable because it has very good E sound. Now all of you read and practice. What is the first word? Yes, jacket. Next word, rabbit. Helmet. Blanket. Jacket. Rabbit. Helmet. Blanket. Students, do you are clear with syllable words? Very good. Next we will move to whole words. Today I am going to introduce three new whole words. Raised, formed, surrounded. While we are reading the whole words, we will not use the letter sound. We want to see and read it. Raised means what? Lifted. Formed, combined to create. Surrounded, be all around. Can you make any one sentence for raised? Yes, he has raised the bar of excellence to high. Formed, at the age of 15, Shivaji formed his own army. Surrounded, these forts on hills were surrounded by deep valleys and rivers. Students, you want to learn these words by their spellings. Please note these words. Next, we will move to reading and listening comprehension. Can you able to see this picture? Yes. He is the King Ashoka that yesterday you learned the story, no? Yeah. First we will recap how you will find out the meaning. Yes, first we want to, which word we don't know, first we want to underline. Then before and after sentence we want to read it again. Again we want to read the sentence. Then we want to find out the meaning. Shall I ask some question? What is the meaning of the word chamber? Very good. I told chamber means room, a large closed place. What is the meaning of the word famous? Famous means known about by many people. In the last class, you read about a king who changed after the Kalinga war. Who was he? Very good. King Ashoka. Students, do you all read the story that you download the SR book? No, that one. Why was Ashoka called Chanda Ashoka? Ashoka was called Chanda Ashoka because he was full of anger. After which battle he changed completely? Yes, after the battle of Kalinga war. There he say many soldiers all died, then burned houses. So he was changed. Ashoka was deeply influenced by one person. Who was he? Very good. Lord Gupta. Lord Buddha. Next one. Next we will move to grammar part. In grammar class, what do you learn? Yes, adverbs. What are adverbs? And adverbs describe the action. Then we learn the different types of adverbs also. Adverbs of manner, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, and adverb of time. Why are they important adverbs? Yes, they give us more information about the verb. Students, I gave homework yesterday. Very good. Only few students sent the homework. Remaining students also want to send the homework properly. Next we will move to writing and speaking expression. In writing and speaking expression, what did we say yesterday? Yes, story elements. Do you all remember the story elements? Very good. All of you look at the picture. Yes, Rani Lakshmi Bai fighting with Britishers to save Jhansi. What is happening in this picture? Yes, Lakshmi Bai is on a horse fighting with the Britishers. Why do you think this is happening? I think Britishers attacked Jhansi. She is protecting the city. Why do you think will happen after this? What do you think will happen after this? Yes, I think Rani Lakshmi Bai will win the war. Students, again observe the picture. All of you open your notebook and you want to write it the story elements. Draw the table like this. Setting, talking characters, your problem, resolving your problem, and your solution. Once again, I show the picture. Observe clearly and you want to write it. Rani Lakshmi Bai fighting with Britishers to save Jhansi. Setting, battlefield. Talking characters. Who are the characters? Very good. Rani Lakshmi Bai and Britishers. What was the problem here? Britishers attacked the city of Jhansi. Resolving a problem. Rani Lakshmi Bai fighting to save Jhansi. Solution. What is the solution? She fight with Britishers and wins the battle. Like this way you want to write and practice. Yesterday I told you think your own story and write the 5 elements. Then only you can, in the exam time you can write it. clear, children, about this story elements? Good. After finishing the story elements, you want to draft the story. See, beginning, middle and end. In the beginning, you want to write once. The word once is very important. Then, middle, you want to use the word then. At last, you use the word at last. End, you want to use the word at last. Then you want to form a sentence. Try to form a sentence. Once there was a woman freedom fighter. Her name was Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was the queen of Jhansi. Once there was a woman freedom fighter. Her name was Rani Lakshmi Bai. She was the queen of Jhansi. Come to the middle column. Then one day Britishers attacked Jhansi. The people of Jhansi were very worried. They did not want to be captured by them. Rani Lakshmi Bai decided to fight bravely against the Britishers. End. At last, she fights against the Britishers and wins the battle. Student, yesterday you wrote your own story. Take that page and write beginning, middle and end. You all clear? Very good. Next, today's homework. Please note it. Fill in the blanks by choosing the correct adverb from the brackets. He ate dash that day. Good or wise? The boy screamed dash at his friends. The boy danced on the floor, so dash. The girl sang the song dash. The children talked dash in the class. He comes here dash. Student, on the top you write it Elga 11. Question number 1. A. Write the question and write only the answer. He ate dash that day. Write the answer, underline. Leave one line and then write it. Write neatly and send it Elga 11 group. Student, if you took more time, you take screenshot. Then afterwards also you can note it. Thank you.